Hi, in today's video, we'll discuss how to qualify for a National Merit Scholarship. This video will guide you through the steps and requirements necessary to achieve this prestigious award. The National Merit Scholarship is an opportunity for high school students in the United States to secure funds to support their post-secondary education. Being selected as a scholar in this program is highly esteemed, as only the top-performing students are chosen. To qualify for the National Merit Scholarship, a student must meet several key requirements. Firstly, students must be enrolled in high school, whether traditional or homeschooled, and be on track to graduate by 2025. They must also plan to begin college by the fall of 2025. Additionally, students must either attend high school within the United States, including the District of Columbia, or meet specific citizenship requirements if attending high school outside the U.S. Another critical requirement is that students must take the preliminary SAT National Merit Scholarship qualifying test SAT NMS-QT during their third year of high school. By meeting these requirements, students have the potential to be among the select few who win this distinguished scholarship. Thank you for watching, and until next time.